Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So today I have for you a nice midweek motivation clean with me. I have a couple of random things that I want to get cleaned around the house. So I thought I would film a video of me doing that because it definitely helps me to get motivated when I'm filming it. And also hopefully this will help you get motivated as well. So give this video a big thumbs up if you're cleaning along with me. I have my matcha latte ready to go, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, starting off in the downstairs bathroom, I just wanted to give the sink and mirror a quick clean. And while the sink was soaking, I decided to wipe down the glass doors. So we have one in the living room and one in the kitchen. These do get quite dirty. I love the glass doors, but when the sun shines on them, you can really see how dirty they are. Cleaning job was to dust all of the shutters. So I do use the duster you can see here. This is the Pledge one that I use in all my cleaning videos. I love this for dusting the shutters. It does advise that you don't get them wet, so I do go in just with a very slightly damp cloth on any stains or marks that are on the shutters, and then I wipe them clean. I usually only clean these once a month. They are really easy to maintain, a lot easier than I think they're the Venetian blinds that we had in our old house, you know, the ones where you have the turner to open them and close them. You guys know what I mean. Those I do love, but honestly they are just so annoying to clean. These are better because the slats are a lot thicker. In the bathroom, I just finished up cleaning the sink, and I also hoovered in here. Sometimes I don't get around to cleaning all the bathrooms in one day, and other times I really don't feel like deep cleaning the bathrooms like every week. So I usually would just focus on the 3 things in each bathroom, which are cleaning the loo, the sink, and also the mirror. thing that had been on my spring cleaning list was to deep clean Sally's drawer. Now this stays pretty organised because I have all of the curver baskets in there. They're brilliant for separating everything. So I've got one for leads, one for foods, one for poo bags and shampoo and things like that. But it does get a bit messy in here because this is where we keep his wet and dry food. So that is why there's little bits in the baskets and things like that. It just falls out as we make his food each day. So I thought I would give it a quick hoover and then wipe everything down with my washing up and water liquid mix. One last thing that I had to finish off that night was the rest of the vacuuming in the lounge. It was just because the Dyson needed charging, so I let it charge and then I hoovered later on before I went to bed. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some cleaning motivation from it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!